In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a recurring task in Asana. Let's start by getting signed in. Open your browser and head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to complete the login. If your organization uses Google Sign-In, this is the fastest route and keeps everything connected to your work profile. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want this recurring task to live. Pick the project from your sidebar or home screen so the task is created in the right place and inherits the correct fields and collaborators. Inside the project, click Add Task. A new row appears where you can type the task name. Give it a clear, action-oriented title, something like Submit Weekly Report or Water Office Plans. A descriptive name makes your recurring tasks easier to scan and manage later. Next, click the newly created task to open its details pane. This is where you'll set the schedule. Look for the due date area. If it says no due date, click it to open Asana's calendar and scheduling options. You'll see controls for selecting a date and, importantly, for making the task repeat. Choose the option to set the task to repeat. This unlocks the recurrence settings. First, pick a start date. This is the day your recurring schedule begins, so select the next logical occurrence. After that, choose how often it repeats by selecting the days you want it to recur. For example, you might select every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or just one day a week. If your task is tied to specific weekdays, choose those. If it's a weekly cadence, stick to one consistent day. Align the start date to one of those days to keep the rhythm clean. A quick tip, once you turn on recurrence, Asana typically creates the next instance after you mark the current one complete. That means your task list stays tidy and you won't see a long string of future copies cluttering your view. If you ever need to pause or change the schedule, open the task again, revisit the due date menu, and adjust the repeat settings or turn them off. That's it. Log in, open your project, add and name your task, open its details, set a due date, turn on repeat, pick the start date, and choose the days. With that in place, your recurring work will show up right when you need it, helping you stay consistent without extra